spent the last year in masterminds and in different groups and different rooms and have not gotten that level of clarity as of yet. I appreciate you, and I will definitely reach out when we get that done.
Thank you.
Make sure you're paying attention to this.
You told me I should talk to you.
Okay.
I'm interested in starting a Black metaverse.
A Black metaverse?
Yes.
Okay.
So basically our own nation with our own economy, both physical communities as well as online communities, incentivizing everyone for personal development, financial management, and all that other good stuff using the cryptocurrency, but then having actual companies that they can buy products and services from utilizing that currency. So I want it to be a use case study where they can actually both benefit and spend within the community.
Okay.
So she was saying that you were the person that I really should be talking to about getting something like that started.
I'm not the person you should be talking to about getting that started, because you are the person you should be talking to about getting it started. Meaning, have you done that in the physical world before?
Created a community?
Created a community that does the things that you're talking about. Have you seen that? Have you been the person who leads that in the physical world?
As in building a community or building a digital community?
Physical.
A physical community? Not yet. So that's what I'm trying to find. Who are my who's? Who do I need to contact? Who do I need to contract? Where do I need to go for more information?
Yeah.
Like on the blockchain type part, I'm versed in theory, but I don't build. So I've been meeting with developers and stuff like that in order to get all the information on how to proceed.
It sounds like you need a partner. And I don't mean just like any partner. I mean someone that maybe is already in your world, in your universe, who believes in what you believe in, understands your mission and what you want to achieve, but is that person who prefers to do the execution of it, help you with the community building, and you're still like the figurehead and the visionary, but this other person's helping you build the actual mechanics of it. And I would say do it in the real world, even if it's locally, first.
So when you say real world, do you mean like build a community, like a community
Yeah,
development?
everything that you just described to me that you want in the Black metaverse,
Yeah.
build it, some version of that in the real world to show what you're talking about, and then say to someone who is a bigger partner of yours, this is what I want to build in the metaverse. I've already done this. Like for instance, we're at this event right now. Lamar Tyler has 1,000 Black entrepreneurs on the rise in Atlanta right now. You can hear the music in the background. It's going off, 3-day event. People are still in the game. If Lamar said to me, I want to build something in the metaverse that emulates this, I would understand his vision because I've seen it physically. I would say, oh, I can believe you can do that because you've done it physically. But I would still say to him, you need to partner with someone who does metaverse stuff. So you might want to go to somebody like Lamar, who already has a in-person community, whatever it might be, that emulates the vision that you have in the metaverse, and say, can we turn this into something? Can we use this as a foundation to build upon? Because you're trying to do all kinds of things that are really hard all at once. You're trying to build from scratch a community, which is one of the biggest, toughest things to do. Okay. You're trying to build all kinds of economic empowerment, et cetera, et cetera. Biggest things, toughest things to do. I would start with someone who has some of this already, and you bring your visionary piece to it that is different than they already have. Because then you could say to Lamar, or you could say to me, who has a physical thing in person, that's going to be a dinosaur in 10 years. Don't you want to have something that's in the new frontier that complements this so that you don't get left behind?
That is phenomenal. Thank you. I appreciate you. Like, I have been stuck for the last year, and we have like 250, my family has like 300 and some acres of land in Arkansas, and everybody's been telling me to go digital first because of cost. They were like, it's cheaper to build digitally than to build an actual community physically. But
do something small. Don't use all 300 acres.
No,
use an acre. Build something, bring 20 people to it. Show that it can be done. Show what it looks like. Show why it matters. And then build upon that. And then those people who came to that 20-person thing, they're going to want to buy into the next thing you say if they see some value in that first thing. But you can learn the hard lessons first, cheaper, with fewer people watching.
Right.
Damn, that's genius.